folks, how are we? Welcome back to the channel. Nick here, on a shift today, most of the day, Route 8, St Clair through to Normanby, one or two loops of Route 19, Waverley to Bellnowes as well. So big day today, on from dawn till just after 1900 or 7 PM tonight. It's currently 6:15 AM in the morning, and it's 18 degrees Celsius already. It's been really tropical here in Dunedin over the last few days. We are in the middle of summer. We got up to 34 degrees yesterday, 34 degrees Celsius. So the east coast of the South Island in a real heat wave at the moment. But I'll do a bit of filming of my driving today, and we'll catch up with you a bit later on. Cheers. How we going, folks? I'm just here at St Clair Terminus, about to start my run. In Fleet 5057 today. This is a 2018 Volvo B7R, the design line or Global Bus Ventures built model. So as I said, I'll be starting shortly, and we'll get a bit of footage of the drive through Normanby. Cheers. Okay guys, at Normanby Terminus, so I hope you enjoyed the full drive from St Clair to Normanby Route 8. I'll just do a quick walk around the bus and then I'll be turning the camera off for a little bit and I'll catch you guys a bit later. As I said, 2018 Volvo B7, so we'll just do a quick walk around. How we going, folks? Nick here again. Welcome back. Just up at Normanby Terminus. I'm running a bit low on battery power, so won't be doing more filming of driving today. I just wanted to show you around this bus. It's 2018 Volvo B7R Global Bus Ventures built model 5044. So it was the first of this Global Bus Venture built B7Rs to be delivered at the Dunedin branch of GoBus, and it's the only one in the actual GoBus colours. All the rest are in the all-bus trim. Highlanders rugby team on the back there. They'll be getting started next month. Engine view. So guys, that'll almost be it from me today. So if I don't manage to get any more footage today, look, thanks again for watching. Really appreciate it. To all my new subscribers, thank you very much. And for all those people making comments, really appreciate it. I do endeavour to get back to everybody as quick as I can. But look, thanks for the support for the channel. If you are enjoying it and you do want to see more content, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And we'll look forward to seeing you guys next time. Cheers.